Growing older brings wisdom, experience, and often a deeper understanding of life. But for many people, something else comes with age: loneliness. You might have noticed that after 70, people seem to stop calling. Friends don't visit as much. Family seems busy. You might start wondering, is it me? Why does it feel like people are pulling away? You're not alone in this feeling. Many seniors experience a slow but painful shift in their social life. The good news? It's not too late to change things. In this script, we'll talk about why this happens and what you can do to bring people back into your life. Chapter 1: Why it happens. One of the biggest reasons people pull away after 70 is change. Life changes, and so do relationships. Here are a few common reasons. People get busier. Children and grandchildren may love you deeply, but their lives are full. Jobs, school, and daily problems can take their attention. It's not that they don't care, but they may not realize how much you need their time. Health issues. As we age, health can become a barrier. It may be harder to get out of the house, drive, or travel. Friends who also have health problems may stop visiting or calling. Even talking on the phone can become tiring for some. Loss of friends. Sadly, many seniors lose close friends to illness or death. These losses not only cause grief, but also shrink your social circle. It may feel like the world is getting smaller. Feeling left behind. Technology moves fast. Conversations happen over phones, computers, and even video chats. If you don't keep up, you might feel left out. This can make it harder to stay connected. Personality changes. Aging can change how we interact. We may become quieter or more anxious. Some people feel embarrassed about needing help or showing weakness, so they pull away first. Chapter 2: Recognizing the signs. How do you know if people are pulling away? Look for these signs: fewer phone calls or visits, missed invitations to events or gatherings, people responding slowly or not at all to your messages, feeling forgotten during holidays or special dates. Recognizing these changes is a first step toward fixing the problem. Chapter 3: What not to do. When we feel rejected, it's easy to react in ways that push people even further away. Try to avoid these. Getting angry or bitter, blaming others, even if you feel hurt, can make things worse. People may avoid you more if they feel guilty or uncomfortable. Giving up. It's easy to say, no one cares, and stop trying. But isolation can lead to sadness, depression, and even health problems. Expecting others to fix it. People may not know how you feel. Waiting for them to make the first move may not work. Chapter 4: Taking the first step. Rebuilding your social life takes courage, but it starts with you. Reach out, call someone you haven't spoken to in a while. Send a message or a card. Say, I was thinking of you and wanted to talk. Be honest. Let people know how you feel. You don't have to sound needy. Try saying, I miss our talks. Can we catch up soon? Make the effort. Invite someone for coffee, a walk, or video chat. You might be surprised how happy they are to hear from you. Forgive and move on if someone hasn't called in a while. Don't hold a grudge. Life gets in the way. Offer a fresh start. Chapter 5: Staying connected in a changing world. Modern life may seem confusing, but also offers new ways to connect. Learn basic technology. Ask someone to show you how to use a smartphone, tablet, or video call. There are also classes at senior centers and libraries. Use social media, Facebook, and similar apps help you stay in touch with family and old friends. You can share photos, comment on updates, and feel more included. Join online groups. There are groups for hobbies, health support, or even neighborhood chats. You can meet people without leaving your home. Ask for help. Don't be afraid to ask a grandchild or friend to show you how things work. Most people are happy to help. Chapter 6. Building New Friendships. Making new friends after 70 is possible and important. Join local activities. Look for senior centers, book clubs, walking groups, or faith groups. These are great places to meet people your age. Volunteer. Helping others is a powerful way to feel connected. Whether it's at a school, church, or food bank, your time matters. Take a class. Many community centers offer classes in art, history, computers, or fitness. You'll learn something new and meet others. Say hello first. Sometimes all it takes is a smile and a greeting. Don't wait for others to speak first. Chapter 7. Strengthening Family Bonds. Your family can be a great source of support, but those ties need attention too. Stay involved. Ask about your grandchildren's school or your children's work. Show interest in their lives. Share stories. Talk about your past. Share family history, funny memories, or lessons you've learned. These stories create bonds. Be flexible. Life is busy. Be understanding when plans change. Offer to fit into their schedule. Celebrate together. Try to be part of birthdays, holidays, and family events. Even a short visit means a lot. Chapter 8. Taking care of yourself. Loneliness affects the body and mind. Take steps to stay strong. Stay active. Even a short walk can help your mood. Movement keeps your body and brain healthy. Eat well. Healthy food fuels your body. Try to eat fresh fruits, vegetables, and drink plenty of water. Rest and sleep. Your body needs time to heal and refresh. A good night's sleep makes a big difference. Talk to someone if sadness lasts too long. Talk to a doctor, friend, or counselor. You're not weak for asking for help. Chapter 9. Finding joy again. It's never too late to find happiness. Here's how. Focus on what you can do instead of thinking about what you've lost. Think about what you still enjoy. Laugh more. Watch a funny movie. Share jokes, or read something lighthearted. Laughter heals. Try new things. Step outside your comfort zone. You might discover a new hobby or talent. Count your blessings. Gratitude helps shift your thinking. Each morning, name 3 things you're thankful for. Chapter 10. You are not alone. If you feel that people are pulling away, know this. It doesn't mean you are forgotten. It doesn't mean you have no value. Sometimes life just moves fast, and people forget to slow down. But you have the power to remind them. Your life, your wisdom, your heart, they matter. Reach out. Take small steps. Try new things. Forgive others. Most of all, forgive yourself. It's never too late to reconnect. It's never too late to feel loved. And the first step, believe that you are worth the effort, because you are. Chapter 11. Creating a legacy that keeps you close. One way to stay connected is by sharing what matters most to you. This could be your life story, values, lessons, and dreams. Doing this creates a lasting connection with family and others. Start by writing down parts of your life. Where did you grow up? What was your first job? What were your happiest moments? These stories may seem small to you, but can be deeply meaningful to your children and grandchildren. You could also record your voice or videos of yourself talking about important events. If you enjoy crafts or making things, Create something special and tell the story behind it. A simple recipe can become a treasure when passed down with love. Sharing your thought about life, kindness, strength, and how to handle hard times can give others comfort and guidance. It can also help them feel closer to you, even when you are not there in person. When people know your story, they feel a deeper bond. They see you not just as a parent or grandparent, but as a full person. This builds respect and closeness. Chapter 12, The Power of Small Moments. You don't need big events to create connection. Small, everyday moments matter more than you think. A phone call to ask how someone's day went, a message just to say you're thinking of them, a warm smile when you see a neighbor. These small things build relationships. They show you care. They remind others that you're here, you matter, and you still have so much to offer. You might not be able to drive or travel far, but you can write a letter, bake something for someone, or help a neighbor with a kind word. These actions may feel simple, but they are powerful. When people feel your kindness and interest, they are drawn back toward you. They remember your love, and they want to give it back. These small moments become the threads that hold relationships together. Keep sewing those threads and watch how your connections grow stronger again. Chapter 13, Healing Old Wounds. Sometimes people pull away not because they are busy, but because of unresolved feelings from the past. Old misunderstandings, harsh words, or long silences can leave scars. As we grow older, these wounds can grow deeper if left untouched. But here's the truth. It's never too late to heal. Even if years have passed, even if you don't know where to begin, there's always a way forward. Start by thinking about the people you've lost touch with because of a disagreement. What happened? What part did you play? Be honest with yourself, but don't be harsh. Forgiveness begins with understanding. The next step is reaching out. A simple message like, "I've been thinking about you, and I miss our connection," can open a door. You don't need to rehash every detail of the past. Just acknowledge it gently and express a desire to move forward. Sometimes the other person may not respond the way you hope. That's okay. You've done your part. Even the act of trying can bring peace to your heart. Forgiveness isn't about forgetting or pretending nothing happened. It's about choosing peace over pain. Whether it's forgiving others or yourself, healing clears space for new connections. Chapter 14, Rebuilding Confidence. Loneliness can wear away your confidence. When people stop reaching out, you might start doubting your worth. You may ask yourself, what do I have to offer now? The answer is a lot. Confidence doesn't come from others. It starts with how you see yourself. Remind yourself of your strengths. Think about what you accomplished in life. Raising a family, working hard, helping others, surviving tough times. Make a list of what you're proud of. Then, each day, read it. Speak kindly to yourself. If a negative thought comes, replace it with something positive. Do things that make you feel good, no matter how small. Fix your hair. Wear clothes that make you smile. Play music that lifts your mood. When you feel better, others notice. Confidence is like a light. When you turn it on, it draws people toward you. Chapter 15, Building Routines that Invite Connection. Routines give life structure, and they also help build connection. Having a few simple daily or weekly habits can keep you feeling connected and purposeful. Try calling a friend every Monday. Send a message or email to someone every Friday. Plan to walk at the same park each morning, and say hello to people you see. Go to the same cafe each week, so people begin to recognize you. These small routines become anchors in your week, and they help others know when and how to connect with you. You can also create shared routines with family. A Sunday evening video call, a shared photo album online, or even reading the same book with a grandchild can become a special connection. Predictable routines make relationships easier. They take the guesswork out of staying in touch. Chapter 16. Facing the Fear of Being Forgotten. Many older adults carry a deep fear, the fear of being forgotten. It's a quiet sadness that can sneak in during the quiet moments. But here's something important to know. You are not forgotten. Sometimes people just don't know how to show it. Sometimes they think of you often, but don't reach out. You can ease this fear by staying present in people's lives. Send photos. Share memories. Comment on what your family posts online. Ask to be included. Don't wait to be invited. Invite yourself with love and confidence. Also, focus on the people who are still showing up. Even if it's only one or two, those connections are precious. Nurture them. And remember that your presence matters. Just by being you, by living your story, you leave footprints in the lives of others. Chapter 17. Planning for the future with peace. Another reason people withdraw is fear of the future. Thoughts about health, finances, or even the end of life can feel overwhelming. But planning ahead gives you more control and peace of mind. Talk openly with your family about your wishes. Write things down. Choose someone you trust to help with decisions if needed. These conversations are not about fear. They're about love. By being clear and prepared, you remove the pressure from your loved ones. You give them a gift, the gift of understanding your wishes. And when the practical things are in place, you're free to focus on what really matters: connection, joy, and peace. Chapter 18. Becoming a beacon of light. There's something powerful about being someone who lifts others up, even when you're hurting. Choosing to be a light in someone's life can bring healing to your own heart. Send a kind word. Compliment someone. Share encouragement. These small actions can change someone's day, and they'll remember you for it. People are drawn to warmth. When you become a source of hope and kindness, others will naturally want to be around you. You may not have the energy you once did, but you still have light. Share it. Let people see your strength, your humor, your kindness. That's how you stay close. That's how you stay unforgettable.